Hare Krishna. So what do we do on today? Gita or science and spirituality? Hare Krishna. So what do we do on Chalo, let us see. Okay, 15, 28, 90 or 28. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji,
Yeah, boliye.
can I talk for 5 minutes? You are telling the class that out of 240 or so, about 30 to 40 people are attending regularly. Why the other? They have done already Gita course. So it was tossing in my mind. We have to do some exercise, like there is a VLOOKUT in computer. Harish can or somebody can help us. The if we do it regularly, first week, second week, third week, 3 times, 3 weeks attendance we have to take, and we have to put that 240. So who are regularly attending, that will be come out. The people who are not coming, not attending, each about we will list out, and me, I will do about 50 people. I will contact. What are the whether the timings are not suitable to them, or they are already attending to some other language group or something like that. I will find out remarks like that. Another 2 or 3 people can help us, because if I see the time, about 40, 45 people only attending. They are all there in the group. Why? Either then we can ask them to either voluntarily left it, or some, if you think that we can delete those numbers, we can do it. I mean, it's only my opinion. If you like it, we can do that exercise.
See, Mangala Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Mangala Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji. You are not with. Okay, share results. So people today want science and spirituality. So, Hare Krishna, Mangala Mataji. She is having a lot of volunteers with her now. Hare Krishna, Mangala Mataji.
Hare Krishna ji.
Anna,
I think
lot
you
of
heard Mangala Mataji. What my proposal? You heard it?
I just made for the 36 have volunteered so far.
Mataji, how many volunteers you got? 30. How many for group admins?
36 out of 36, 22 group admins.
Very good.
And 14 are for the supporting service.
Very good, Mataji. Thank you very much. Mataji, we both have to sit together sometime.
Okay.
And we can, what Prabhuji is saying, the Prakash Rao also we can include it. Prakash Raoji, now the new batch is coming. So there we have asked people from all the 4 Bhakti Vrikshas who are ready to come forward to help us manage. So 36 people have given name. There are Mataji people who gave name previously also in a Google form. We will collate it together. Plus 3 times it has happened now. So all those numbers will collate together. Okay?
Okay.
And then that is one part of it. That we will get ready for the new batch and also support services.
Which one, that facilitator group you are having? That one?
No, Mataji, not
Ah.
all the numbers, we'll put it together one side. And
That's why I made one WhatsApp group, Guruji. In that only I'm putting everyone. Whoever is coming, either supporting service or admin, all are in that group.
What we'll do, we will meet some time. I'll call you. We both will sit together. Okay? Now time, let us do something. Quality work now. Anyway, somebody has come. Some people have come. Some have not come. That's part of nature. True, we can have an initiative to call all the people who have not come and see we can make it more conducive. एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजता है. Our part also, some maybe fault is there. Okay. Now today was science and spirituality. That will be very interesting. Mannat, you know where we have gone to science and spirituality till now? Last Sunday.
Yes, Prabhuji, like we completed, I think, I
So,
need to see.
you can understand that much science you have studied? Yeah, it's a very interesting presentation. When I take it in the college, at their mouth, stuck like they're shocked. They're shocked. Okay, now how much you have gone through? Okay, see, it's a big presentation.
Do we really need spirituality? That one, that 5 points with the scientists, Newton, Maxwell.
No, that's okay. This is over.
Yes, we did this. Yes, Prabhuji.
Then yes, this is over.
Yeah, this is over.
This inconvenient truth you started.
This is also over. Yes.
That girl was very nice.
Yes, this is over.
This girl.
Yeah, yes, we did this.
It was nice, your age only.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same girl after 20 years also you showed, Prabhuji.
Yeah, that's all. Okay, very good. Then this one, I think here I would have stopped. Have I done this? No.
No, Prabhuji.
I'll
Yes,
start.
we are here, Prabhuji.
Okay, I'll start with this. Now, Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnanandana Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityanamini. Namaste Saraswate Devi Gaudavani Nirvishesha Srinivadi Pashagate Shakar. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shiva Gaur Bhakti. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna.
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So this is very interesting area. 100 years of quantum further. Thoda, it will come science now. I'll explain to you, so don't bother. There is a nice video now coming. Now again, the problem is this is under copyright. So I have to